Today we're going to create a different arrow socket. So we're going to do a preview animation of the overdraw to get a better trajectory of the projectile every single time more consistently. So on the right hand instead of the left hand, we're going to create the socket. And we're going to go ahead and call this right arrow socket. Now this is the same process as we did in the earlier tutorial, but this is just to show you that sometimes you have to adjust it to get a more consistent projectile trajectory. All right, so we're going to use the arrow that we used for the actor projectile, and we're going to go ahead and rotate this, and now this can actually double as holding the arrow too. So we're going to go back into the character blueprint and call that the socket we called it, right arrow socket. And now we see the projectiles going straight up because we rotated it a little bit. So we're going to go back under the skeleton, and in the socket, we're going to rotate it down now. Okay? And now we can see the actor shooting more consistently straight. You want to test it out every single way. And yeah, there you have it. We now have a projectile spawned in the game more consistently.